All right, welcome. Let's take a look. Here is what happened in the markets today, Tuesday, January 5th, and we're going to do it in 4 minutes or less. So let's jump on the charts. And after yesterday's sell-off, stocks finished higher today. So let's take a look at the indices. The Dow Jones, let me use a different color here. I like my red color a little bit better. Anyhow, so as you can see, the Dow today rose 167 points, up for 0.55%, not enough to recover the 380 points that it lost yesterday. But hey, at least it was able to recover some of the losses. Moving over to the S&P 500, as we can see, the S&P 500 up 26%, up 26 points, or 0.71%. So also doing pretty good here. And then we have the NASDAQ. NASDAQ gained 0.85%. But overall, if we take a look at this is a 5-minute intraday chart. So as you can see, pretty lackluster trading. This is where we started this morning right here. As you can see, at first we went up a little bit, down, and then we were drifting higher, going nowhere into the close. So let's dive in and let's take a look at the 3 things that are moving the markets right now. Number 1, we have stronger than expected US manufacturing data. Let me share my iPad here. So here we see the economic calendar. This is from forexfactory.com, highly recommended. And as you can see, the ISM manufacturing PMI was released this morning, and it rose in December to 60.7. So this was better than expected. Expected was that it actually shrinks to 56.6. So this actually here is the highest level since August 2018. In comparison, in November, it was only at 57.5. So this is thing number 1 that was moving the markets today. Thing number 2 is, as you can see here, we had OPEC meetings all day yesterday and today. And Saudi Arabia actually agreed to production cuts in February and March. And as a result, let me just show you, crude oil futures. This here is crude oil. And crude oil went up 5%, as you can see, trading at above $50 per barrel. And that's the first time in almost a year since February 2020. And you see, when oil is doing well, oil stocks are doing well. Let me actually switch over here to finwiz.com. This is where you see a map of what happened today. And if you go to the energy stocks, let me see if I can go there. You see that ExxonMobil is up 4.8%. Chevron is up a little bit. But here is where, let me just refresh this. I want to show you a few other oil and gas stocks here. As you can see, ConocoPhillips up almost 6%. And Oxy, CXO, MRO, Marathon, pretty good. So this is what's happening. So what else is happening? Then, of course, we also, number 3 that is moving the markets, we have the runoff elections in Georgia. So today, Georgia votes for 2 senators, and if both votes go to the Democrats, the Republicans lose the majority in the Senate. And you see, right now, Democrats already have the majority in the House of Representatives. So if Democrats win both seats in Georgia, the Senate would become Democratic as well, which would be the blue wall that Wall Street is concerned about, because traders are concerned that corporate tax rates could rise substantially if the Democrats got control over the Senate, and Wall Street doesn't like that at all. So what can we expect from the markets this week? Well, today and tomorrow, the big focus will be the runoff election in Georgia, where Democrats and Republicans are fighting for the majority in the Senate. So let's see if we get some results later today, and I'm sure that these results will affect the markets tomorrow. Anyhow, this wraps up today's stock market news in 4 minutes or less. I think we took a few seconds longer, but anyhow, keep in mind, trade what you see and not what you think. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.